And let's put out more news break coming in. This one also coming in from the state of West Bengal, where the ED is conducting raids in Kolkata. In fact, this is early morning action on part of the ED in Kolkata's Alipur Road, where searches are being carried out by the Enforcement Directorate. At the location where the ED raids are being conducted, we understand 4 ED officials are present. Let's go across to Arnab, who's there at the ED raid site. Arnab, give us more details. What are these ED raids? Who are these ED raids linked to? Tell us about those who are under the lens of the central agency specific to these ED raids which are underway.
देखिए, कलकत्ता के जो आलीपुर रोड है वहाँ पे ये जो फ्लैट है, ये फ्लैट की 3rd फ्लोर पे एक बिजनेसमैन जिसका नाम है दीपक नाहटा, उसके घर में सुबह करीब 8 बजे के करीब ईडी के 4 ऑफिसर आए और भी कलकत्ता के 8 लोकेशन पे अभी ईडी का जो रेड चल रहा है। जो जाना जा रहा है कि सीबीआई न्यू दिल्ली की तरफ से, सीबीआई एंटी करप्शन ब्रांच न्यू दिल्ली की तरफ से एक केस दर्ज किया गया था पार्ल्स ग्रुप के खिलाफ। और ये पार्ल्स ग्रुप जो स्कीम या चीट फंड की तरह जो बिजनेस यहाँ पे चलाता था और कई स्टेटों से कई 100 करोड़ जो रुपया है वो उठाया गया था और ये रुपया देश के बाहर भेजा गया था। सिंगापुर कनेक्शन मिला है और सीबीआई ने इस केस पे अभी चार्जशीट भी दायर किया है दिल्ली के कोर्ट पे। उसके बाद ही ईडी की तरफ से नया ECIR स्टार्ट किया गया है और ईडी कोलकाता के जो जोन 1 के ऑफिसर थे वो जोन 1 के ऑफिसर आज सुबह 8 लोकेशन पे पहुंच चुके हैं और वहां पे अभी रेड चल रहा है। जो जाना जा रहा है कि कलकत्ता के 4 बिजनेसमैन इसके साथ में उनका जो लिंक पाया गया और उसी लिंक के जरिए इन लोगों तक पहुंचे ईडी के ऑफिशियल्स। और अभी जो जाना जा रहा है कि जो ह्यूज जो मनी स्कैम हुआ है उसमें कलकत्ता का भी कनेक्शन है और उसी सिलसिले में ये जो पूछताछ और जो रेड वो चल रहा है।
All right, Arnab, thank you for the moment. So Arnab is at that very location where the ED raids are underway. For now, we should focus to more news break coming in. This one from the national capital, where sources now tell Republic that the Central Bureau of Investigation is likely to seek extended custody of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And in the backdrop, the Aam Aadmi Party is planning to stage a pan-India protest. So, as the news of the ED as well as the Central Bureau of Investigation tightens in Liquorgate probe, the Aam Aadmi Party continues to cry witch hunt. They will be staging a pan-India protest over Kejriwal's arrest by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Let's go across to Riyanka. She's tracking the details in this case. Riyanka, sources telling Republic that the Central Bureau of Investigation is most likely going to be seeking extended custody of Kejriwal. What are the grounds of that extended custody that will be sought by the central agency, one? And also anything you're learning with regard to the arguments that could be made on part of Kejriwal's counsel?
That's right. Today, Arvind Kejriwal's CBI custody ends. It was a 3-day custody that was given to the Central Bureau of Investigation by the Rouse Avenue Court previously. And there were several heated arguments that had taken place. In fact, last time when the hearing was taking place in the Rouse Avenue Court, with the CBI, here probing the irregularities, especially in terms of the angle of corruption and about the bribery. That is how the CBI case differs from the ED, where the ED is investigating the money trail and the money laundering angle. So to say that there can be arguments in the court today with the CBI is all likely to seek a further extension of Arvind Kejriwal's custody, as it rightly mentions that whatever the evidences are, they need to put Kejriwal in front with the evidences and seek answers as to why did he give a nod to the excise policy. That is the CBI's arguments. In fact, the CBI also says that Kejriwal has denied to accept that Vijay Nair, one of the accused in the case, and that Vijay Nair in fact was working under him. Rather, he is pinning blame on his other ministers. That is one of the arguments of the Central Bureau of Investigation. On those grounds, in fact, the court had granted CBI a 3-day custody of Arvind Kejriwal. We have to see what happens today. We know that earlier the court had directed to present Kejriwal today before 7 p.m. So we have to wait and see what happens next in the entire matter, whether the CBI will be given extended custody or not. That will be seen. On the other hand, furor amongst the party workers. The Aam Aadmi Party is going to hold massive protests nationwide. In Delhi, at around 11:30, the Aam Aadmi Party workers will be staging a gherao at the BJP headquarters, and they have been claiming that the agencies are working on the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is why this protest will be taking place. So we have to look out for all such developments that happen.
All right, Ranka, thank you for the moment. So we will be tracking all the action in the court. It's Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. Also, parallelly, the Aam Aadmi Party will also be staging a protest at around 11:30 a.m.